My name is Don Talzer, and I'm from the United States. I live in Tennessee. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's definitely a 10 experience for me. Pure and simple answer is, when I decided I wanted to pursue stem cell for my knee, and I ran across your organization, Cellular Hope. And when I read it and understood it, and I filled out the questionnaire and sent it in, I got a call back from Teresa the next day, and I never talked to anybody else or anything else. I felt like this is God's answer to my prayer, and here I am today.
Hi, good day. I'm Dr. Lornaise Mari, one of the physicians here at Cellular Hope Institute. So based on the MRI findings, the major diagnosis was Mr. Tauzer's chondromalacia, grade 4, based on the outer bridge scale. And he also had an ACL tear with edema of the subcutaneous tissue as well. Like Mr. Tauzer and a lot of other patients, the only recommendation given by doctors in the US is a surgical intervention. So he was looking for another option and found our clinic for stem cells. So in Mr. Tauzer's case, what we're looking for with stem cell therapy is a reduction in his pain, regeneration of cartilage, which normally happens after 6 months and can be seen on imaging, control of all the inflammation that he has, and obviously for him to regain his function and mobility.
I've learned over the years, for something that is new and unknown, I don't get expectations up very high. So this has exceeded any expectations I may have had. The experience, the trip here, the accommodations, and more than anything, the staff at Cellular Hope.